Beavish New Buddies, this is Fetters Farmstead. My name's Tyler. It's Good Friday. We're gonna go run around and enjoy the day. Ain't Gage?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It doesn't look like she has milk.
You want milk? You can tell she has milk.
How?
Why don't you show them how to milk by hand?
Oh, I can't feel it.
Look at that, you get a gallon out of it. How you doing, Rio? Got plenty of feed yet? Should buy some corn.
Why is there a big...
She's hungry, her belly's empty. Oh, they sound hungry, Gage.
Is this still Mel's barn?
Yeah, it's Mel's barn.
Wait, how many cows are there?
We have 2. It's me, buddy.
Is that poop on his horse?
No, Jerry.
That's a big horse.
Yeah, that's he's a Belgian. You have to have a rooster.
Oh, you have a rooster, don't you?
Oh, we got rid of all our roosters.
How many roosters did you have?
We had 4.
I remember because you threw water on them.
Yeah, after it pecked your leg, remember it pecking your leg and attacked you?
Yeah, that happened.
Yeah, well, that one's gone. That one's over at the neighbor kids.
Oh, it's over there?
Yeah. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Where do you want to go?
I don't know.
You ready for our trip? We're going to go for lunch. Are you hungry?
Yum, 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 yum.
Are you hungry, Bobby? Good, let's go eat. Guys ready? Just for now. Is everybody fat and happy from lunch? You're full?
Yeah.
Nobody's hungry anymore?
Yeah. No one.
Good. Okay, where are we going next?
Bass Pro.
Bass Pro Shop.
Home Depot.
Would you really want that one? The white one? Huh, Bubby? What about you? Gage?
Everyone, look off behind me. Okay. Okay, boss man.
Everybody ready?
Chicken macaroni. Yeah.
Where are we going now?
Best Buy.
No, we're already at Best Buy. Where are we going next?
Depot.
No, we're not going to the Home Depot.
Home Depot. Home Depot. Home Depot. Home Depot.
Okay, see you, love you, bye. What are you going to do the rest of the day? You're going to come see me tomorrow?
Yeah.
For sure? Do you miss me already? Huh, Bobby? What about you? Adeline misses me.
Yes, I do. Yes, I
thought you were keeping them.
No, they're done. They spent way too much of my money.
Basketball. My basketball.
You guys trashed this car.
No, that's just how Sarah keeps it. Oh, we had an exciting day today. We went all over, spent a whole bunch of money, but the kids had fun, I think. I don't know. I guess I had fun. That's all that matters. Who knows about the kids? My blades need sharpened in the worst way. So maybe that'll be tomorrow's project, get the blades sharpened and we'll be ready to mow the second time. So that'll finish us up for the rest of the day. So see you tomorrow. We're having Easter at our house. So see you, love you, bye.